Kia ora, ko Rosalie Reiri tōku ingoa. I'm here to talk to you about student, whānau and iwi engagement. Student engagement, I believe, is easy when learning and teaching is founded on students' interests, passions and talents. Kura kaupapa do this really well. They call it pūmanawatanga. So it's developing, identifying talents that sometimes are untapped potential. I also believe that when teachers give students the mana or the agency to choose what it is they want to learn, to choose what it is, to choose how they want to learn it, and to choose how they want to present their learning is pivotal for student engagement. Whānau engagement can be a tricky one. I believe over the years I've experienced that having a kapahaka group has been a key driving force for whānau engagement. They want to see their students, their children perform. Over the years we have held whānau hui at the same time as the kapahaka practice, and that's to allow parents to not have to come out a second time during the night or second time during the week. So it's about figuring out a time that best suits parents as opposed to a time that best suits you or the school. Kai is another key factor that works. I remember vividly one time we had a meet and greet, the whānau and the parent and the teacher, and on that first time that we trialled it, we had 100 parents, 100 whānau that came to that very first hui. So Kai works, and it works so well that every other term for parent interviews we would have a sausage sizzle. The last thing that worked, and in the Waikato, in the beginning, whānau hui would be directed by teachers. And the power happened when we gave the mana to students to direct the hui and to share their learning through their eyes. So student voice definitely had whānau engagement there. When I moved to South Auckland, the community is different, so the approach needed to be different. And so that's also a key learning in your different areas, is to think about your community and best working with them. And so we developed a Facebook page, and that worked. It worked so well that when we sent a message out, reminder about swimming tomorrow, all children had the correct shoes, gear, towel, plastic bag. And the other amazing thing that happened is we had whānau that didn't even know they were related until they saw friends of friends on the Facebook page. So that's whānau engagement. Iwi engagement, I believe it's about identifying key people in your school. It could be teacher, it could be staff, it could be whānau members that have a direct link to your local marae or your local iwi. There is always someone, and so identifying those people, building a relationship with the iwi and maintaining it. So don't go a one-off. Factor into your long-term planning different activities to continually going back, and so maintaining relationships. All the best. I hope it's been a benefit to you, and kia ora tātou.